In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book first class on Skyscanner step by step. Open your browser and head to the Skyscanner website. You'll land on the main dashboard where the flight search is front and center. This is your starting point. First, check the trip type near the top. If you need a round trip, one-way, or multi-city itinerary, choose the option that fits your plans so the search results align with how you want to travel. Next, click into the From field and enter your departure city or airport. Skyscanner will suggest options as you type, so pick the exact one you need. Then, in the To field, enter your destination. Again, select the correct city or airport from the list to avoid routing surprises. Now, set your dates. Click the Depart date to open the calendar and choose your outbound day. If your dates are flexible, notice how prices change across days. This can help you find better fares without changing the overall process. Then select your return date to complete the round-trip timeline. Move to the Travelers and Cabin Class control. Open it and adjust the number of adults, children, or infants as needed. In the same panel, change the cabin class to first class. This ensures your results focus on premium seats. When you're done, click Apply to lock in those choices. With your route, dates, travelers, and cabin class set, hit Search. Skyscanner will compile available first class options for your dates. On the results page, you can sort by best, cheapest, or fastest and use filters for preferred airlines, number of stops, departure times, and layover durations. These filters don't add steps, they simply help you zero in on the experience you want. When you see an itinerary you like, click to select it and open the full flight details. Review the schedule, aircraft type, layovers, and what's included with first class, such as lounge access or baggage, since offerings can vary by airline. When you're confident, click Book Now. You may be directed to the airline or a trusted travel partner to complete the purchase. Click Continue to confirm the selection and move ahead. Before you pay, carefully check your flight details one more time. Airports, dates, times, fare rules, and total price. Then add passenger details exactly as they appear on government ID or passports. Accuracy here prevents check-in issues. Once everything looks correct, continue to payment to finalize your booking. After payment, watch for a confirmation email and save your booking reference. That's it. Your first class trip is booked through Skyscanner.